Hello, my name is Miguel for the Mobile 757. This is a sign of a battery going bad. The car will start acting completely weird. I'm going to put the key in, and you will see and hear different weird things happening. And you'll start seeing weird messages. Lift gate, tire pressure, oil change. Now I'm going to bring you to the lift gate. It's very hard to hear the noise, but it's a thumping noise that's back there because it's not getting the correct electricity. Let me do it one more time, see if I can get that thumping noise for you guys. So if your battery is going low, your car needs a very good battery to run properly. If not, you'll have horns that are going off, alarms going off, weird things are just happening because you need to change the battery or there's a battery issue. This is just a mechanic tip. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.